How you can buy real estate even if you don't have money. Or how you can buy real estate, you can buy land even if you don't have money. um let's say wisdom is profitable to direct. That's what the scripture says. Wisdom is profitable to direct. So I've come to share with you this financial wisdom today, how you can buy land even if you don't have money. Yeah, by now you already know that savings is the weakest, the poorest form of investment. Saving is the weakest or the poorest form of investment. Of course, if you keep money in the bank, like 1 million every month, you see the peanuts they give to you as per interest or whatever they call it. That's BS. Okay. Now, if you want to buy land without money, this is what you need to do. You need to simply subscribe to an instrumental payment. Okay, it is very much important that you put your money in real estate. Don't just save. Okay, put the money in real estate. For instance, you might want to buy a property for 800,000, so you're going to subscribe for 12 months installment payment. Now, if the property is actually valued for that 800,000 within 12 months, yeah, all you need to do is to pay in bits. You'll be paying roughly about 66,000 naira every month. By the end of the year, you are a landowner. You're a landowner, guys. So that is how you can own property even when you don't have money. Just go for instrumental payments. Budget yourself, cut down expenses, then allocate a certain amount of your income every month that will go into that property. And by the end of the agreed designated period of time, you become a proud landowner. And that property can be sold after 2-3 years at a 400%. Yeah, 400% on investment. So this is how you can own properties without having the money. You don't have the money, but you can still own a property. So if you want to start your journey into property ownership, real estate investment, my number is on the screen. I'm the professional realtor. I'll assist you to acquire properties in instrumental payment procedure. All right. Thank you and God bless.